Hello, my name is James. I'm French and I've been doing affiliate marketing for several years now, especially in French. And in this video, I will tell you what is affiliate marketing, and also, if you stay with me after this brief introduction, I will talk to you about three things uh, in the process of getting knowledge, then getting the tools, and starting the work. 1, 2, 3. First, affiliate marketing. What is it? So uh, to give you an idea, if you don't know what is affiliate, why do we have to define a new word, affiliate? It should be called performance marketing. So it means you do marketing at a promotion and you get paid on performance. When you perform, when you successfully uh, do a task, um, there's no minimum wage. It's only based on your performance. But thankfully, affiliate marketing is on the internet, so it is not like um, working in the tomato fields where you get paid by the bucket. It's not like this because you are not on your own. You have tools, automated tools that you can use in affiliate marketing, and you should use, of course. Uh, if you take in the warfare analogy, it is maybe like a mercenary, but mercenaries usually come in groups and they are hired by an organization or someone, and they need to be here as a group to be an army and to be under control, under command. They are not paid at performance, but they are paid to be there. So it's not exactly this. I would say it's more like a more solitary position. So mostly I think like being a hitman, a gun for hire, but a hitman. That means that uh, you have someone who pays you only if you kill a target, and your job, you you kill the target in any way you want. You know, you are your own boss, but you get paid by someone, and they designate a victim, a hit, and you perform the hit. Then you get paid on this. So affiliate marketing is like this. Let's say that the people who hire you are different. You don't have one boss, and and you take what you want as jobs. You don't have to agree on everyone that pays you, but it's more like the the customer is paying you to kill any number of victims, and the victims will be the customer, the one who buys his product. And when you sell it, when you kill the victim, you get paid each time, and you can choose your contract. So I think it's more a better analogy to say when you are an affiliate, you are a hitman, because there are so many products to sell in affiliate marketing. So I don't know if you get the idea, but for a more formal definition, you can always go to Wikipedia and look for affiliate marketing. So they say affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's own marketing effort. So you know, we are the affiliate, and there are many businesses and selling many products, and they pay you when you sell. It's not really a visitor, because this is another thing. It's more like AdSense or you know, other things. Me, I'm talking about selling. You sell a product and you get paid a share, a percentage on the sales price of this product. So this is affiliate marketing. Okay. So now I will go into like a tutorial. It's about three things. First is getting the knowledge. Second is getting the tools. And then third is getting to work efficiently. So for this, as I've been doing affiliate marketing for several years, I will show you that at the moment, I don't have only this product, but I sell Builderall, which is an online digital marketing platform, all-in-one solution, for marketing. So it's like a Wix, if you know Wix, because you see ads on YouTube, on TV. It's all-in-one. You have email. You can do email marketing and create websites. So that's the software. That's the solution. Why I am an affiliate of this one in particular, not only but this one, it's because it has a very good affiliate program. Very good. I mean, when I say very good, it's the top that I know of actually, the top one. So it's not by random that I am talking about this one. Not by random. It's not. No, it's a very top. I will go into details. So, but first, let's go into the knowledge. For this, I have developed a tool because I am a computer programmer, developer. So even before doing affiliate marketing, I was doing affiliate, developing, computing. So I developed a tool which allows me to get the knowledge about who are the top affiliate of Builderall. And so why I did this tool? It's because it's good to get the knowledge of who are they and what are they doing online to be top affiliate. So you see, for instance, this is for 2019. You get the overall ranking. So you see that Roberto Rodriguez is the top, Liam James K second, Andrew Monheim third, and you have many statistics about them. Why they are on top 3? It's based on points. So if you go to this tool, you will be able to understand what are those numbers, what you can use them for. One thing I did is I put here 4 icons. When you click on them, this is for Google, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. This is in order to easily search on Google for Roberto Rodriguez. Search on YouTube for Roberto Rodriguez. So when you do your research to get the knowledge, you will, let's say, take the top 10 affiliates or top 25 affiliates, and you subscribe to their YouTube channel. You look for them on Facebook and you subscribe to their page or get friends with them. You try to be a follower of them, and this is not to be a fan. It is to see what they are doing, at least the tip of the iceberg, what they are doing. Okay, but you will not see it as a lead, as a potential customer. You will look at it as a way to build an average avatar, the ideal avatar of the top affiliate of Builderall. So an example. You will look at the top 10. You will see maybe they all have YouTube channel. So an ideal avatar should have a YouTube channel. The YouTube channel will talk about this topic in particular. So the ideal avatar of top Builderall affiliate should have a YouTube channel talking about this. Maybe most of them have, if not all, have an email responder. Maybe all of them have an offer, which means when they sell Builderall, they always say, you get Builderall by me and you get this. This is my offer. So, you understand the concept? you build an ideal avatar of the top affiliate of Builderall, and you will see that he has this, and you should aim to become this ideal avatar. So this is why it's this tool is there, is to identify the top affiliate and to follow them, to study, to get the knowledge of what you should do. This is useful for Builderall, of course. This is focused on Builderall, but you will see that when they are top affiliates of Builderall, they can be top affiliates of other products. So this will be useful for all your other products that you promote. So, okay, I will not go into details about this tool. You can look at it. No, there's nothing very important to talk about because this video needs to be short. So I will get into the tools. When, of course, the tools for your marketing effort will be Builderall. The product that you will promote will be Builderall. And now I will get into details as to why it is a very good affiliate program. So first, it's a product sold by membership, so it means customers have to pay every month. This is good because it means recurring commissions for the lifetime of the customer. So you sell once and then you get money each month as long as they stay customer of this program. So you sell and the next month you sell to other people and you sell third month to other people, and so you grow your monthly income from this product because they add up. You add more clients than the one who leaves the program, who stops their membership. You know, you add more. And so you grow your monthly passive income because after 6 months, all the customer you have sent to this product in the past 6 months, you don't work to get them. Now you have them every month. So this is passive income. As long as I say you don't have anything to do. And what is good with a product such as Builderall, it is like a real estate of internet. It means that when someone starts to use a product which allows him to have a base on internet, to have a website, email autoresponder, things like this, a customer, when he works with this, he gets money. So it means that what he's paying for his Builderall account is nothing compared to what he's gaining, earning. So he will stay for years. And it is quite difficult to move. So this customer, even if he wants to move, I don't know where, but to another platform maybe, it will involve a lot of work. Difficult to move the email list, to move the websites. There is no export function. So, you know, it's easier to continue to pay. So why it's good, Builderall, is because it's a membership-based software, very hard to leave. Once you get, you know, you are using it, you can stay for years, and the commission is great. It's 30%, 1/3 recurring. Okay. The first month you get 100% of the sale. Okay, but we don't care so much about this. It's about the recurring income. 30%. This is good already. You know, Aweber, an email autoresponder, is like 30% too. So it's good. You don't have anything to do, you get 30%. And the prices are quite low, very low indeed. So you get 30% of a low price, yes, but it allows more people to get to buy it and to stay because it's low price. When I say low, I mean 10, 30, 50%, $50 US dollar is the maximum, the top $50. But most of the user will take $30, so you get $10 per month for this. It's good. And what is very good about this affiliate program is that it's very rare you have a second tier, a second level of affiliation, which means that when you sell this product and your customer sell the products themselves, you also get 30% on every customer your customer have. This is a second tier. It's very rare. If you take a ClickFunnels, if you know, they also have a second tier, but it's only 5%. So here it's 30%. It's exactly the same as your first tier. So this is good. But when I say get the tools, of course you should take yourself. Yes, another thing which is great. It is you cannot be an affiliate of Builderall without paying for Builderall, and usually it's not the case. You can be an affiliate of product and you don't have to buy the product, but in Builderall you have to buy, and you have to buy the $50 plan per month. So as an affiliate, we don't care about it, because if we are selling, if we sell 4 same plan, our account doesn't cost anything. Okay, recurring. I mean, you sell 4, you already are in profit. So we don't care about the price of our plan, but it's good to have it, and you must have it. And this is a good thing, because even if we don't like to have to buy something, once you buy it, you get the tool. Okay, you accept. I need to pay every month in order to be an affiliate. Okay, I accept. And now it's good, because it means that the competition, the other affiliates out there who don't want to pay, they don't want to buy, they cannot compete with you. So only those who have an active Builderall account at $50 a month, only those can compete, can promote Builderall. So this is a big advantage once you accept to pay. And since it is a product that is very good for affiliate marketers, why not get it? I already have a Weber account, I have a web hosting, I have other paid account on other tools, and I have a Builderall account. So it's not important, because as an affiliate, you don't get to pay your tools, because you sell them, and if you often it's 3 or 4 sales, and your own account doesn't cost you anything. If you are not sure to sell 4 accounts and you hesitate, then don't take any account. It means you are not an affiliate, because 4 sales is only like the start of the game. Okay, in how many days can I sell 4 in order for me not to have to pay? This is the first game. It's not, oh, will I sell 4? Okay, so this is great program because it's closed. You have to pay to be there, to be an affiliate. So it's better once you pay. It's better to eliminate a lot of competition, a lot of affiliate beginners or wannabes. They cannot get their affiliate link and compete with you. So this is good. The 30% recurring on such a product, which is hard to leave, is very good. And also the second tier. Second tier is if you are lucky and you get customers at $50 that will sell. You know, they will sell a lot. Then you will get 30%. But you know, this is called performance marketing. So what is very important is your own performance. The second tier is made for people to believe that they will be able to get 10 customers, and then those 10 customers will get 10 customers, so they don't have to do anything, and they will earn on 100 customers. But this is not the reality. The reality is 90% of people who they won't sell one account. So you need to focus on yourself, your performance, and if you want 100 customers, then get 100 customers yourself on your first tiers. And then if you are lucky, some of them, maybe 10%, will sell some accounts. Maybe 1% will be a very good affiliate and will sell 100 accounts for you. Maybe, but don't rely on this. Don't think about it. Think about your own performance. And for this, of course, get the knowledge, get the tool. This is the second point. I will go into the tool. Usually, we say, okay, 30% first tier, 30% second tier. Okay, but I want to give you how to get the tool. And you cannot hear it anywhere else. I've checked, I've never heard it except in my own videos when I talk about it. How to get the tool. First, you need to buy the Builderall business plan, the one at $50. And then once you have it, you buy a second one under your first one. You buy a second one. So you need a 2 email address. PayPal payment, it can be the same. This is not forbidden by Builderall. It is not forbidden, So you can have 2 accounts, 2 Builderall business accounts. The first one, you take it under who you want, whatever sponsor you want, or no sponsor at all. Doesn't matter. But the second one, you need to take it under your first one. And then you will sell, you will work with your second account. The first account is there only to get the 30% of the second tier, I will explain into more detail about this, but let's understand that the first account, you will not sell, you will not be an affiliate with this one, except for your second account, except for this one. But your first account, you can use it to build a website, to use a mailing list, etc. But when you promote, when you want to use your affiliate ID, you will use the second account. I will show you why. Now, I made a spreadsheet and a graph about it. So, you see the first column in blue is the usual way when you have one account, one Builderall account. The second column in red when you have 2 accounts set up like I told you. And here you have the graph. You see this is the earnings, and here is the number of sales you make. So for this graph, I have only taken into account when you sell the Builderall business plans at $50, and I have not taken into account the second tier, of course, because we don't know what will happen with all. So this is just theoretical, but it's just to show you that with 2 accounts, you will earn 60% on your first tier and 30% on your second tier as a recurring commission. Okay, I'm not talking about the first 100%, only talking about recurring commission on Builderall business accounts. And you can see, so one account will cost you $50, 2 accounts will cost you $85 because you will get 30% on the second account. You will get as a commission, on the first account you will get $15 commission. So it's not double, it's not $100. You will pay 85. But when you start to sell, so as I told you before, with only 4 sales of your Builderall business, then you have your own account free. And it is exactly the same with 2 accounts. Because yes, you pay more per month, but it only matters when you have no sales, so at the very start. But as soon as you have 4 sales, you are in profit already. If you have only 1 account, you are $7 in profit. If you have 2 accounts, you are $28 in profit already. So you can check if you can see the numbers, but this is okay. And then it gets better because you earn 60% on your sales. So this is the way you should start with the tool. You take Builderall and you don't take 1 account, you take 2. And you start to work with the second one The first one you can use it as a tool, but not to promote. It doesn't matter because some people say, "Oh yes, but maybe it's better first to make some sales on the first one, so that doesn't cost me anything, and then I buy a second one later on. I will see if it works." If it is like this, then don't take any account, any builder. Don't start in your mind. If you think like this, it means you don't understand, and you will not sell, because to sell you need to know that you will sell, and just work to make it happen. But no, there is no doubt about it. Why wouldn't you sell anything? Why are you disabled? There's no reason not to sell anything. So, and there's no need to start by selling on the first account and then switch to the second one, because I show you, if you sell with the second one, you earn 60% commission. So it's exactly like if you sold with the first one, you get 30%. So as soon as you get 4 sales, then you are in profit with both setups. But with the second one, you are $30 in profit. With the first one, only $7, and it goes on and on. Like when you are, let's say you have 20 sales. If you have only one account, you earn recurring 234, and with 2 you are almost at 500. So you know it's a no-brainer. Of course it's based on your performance. So if you sell, you are going to sell 100, it's better to sell 100 with 60% commission than to sell 100 and get 30% commission. You can see it's double. So voila. So okay. So this was the second point on having 2 accounts to get the tool. And now the third point is to get to work. And the first thing you need is a sales funnel. With Builderall you have affiliate links. But in affiliate marketing, the number one thing to do is not to send people to your affiliate link. This is the number one mistake that every one does, every beginner. But don't do this mistake. Just send people to a lead capture, an email capture page, because then you grow your list, and in 3 months, 6 months, you will have 1,000 or more people to write to, if you want, because you will want to send another product or to talk about this product, anything. You will have 1,000. If you send people to your affiliate link, you will have no one, and so it's not good for your future yourself. In the case of Builderall, is a bit particular once again, because when you send people to register for a free account on Builderall, you get their email. You can contact them. So it's like if you send them to your lead capture page. So it's a bit particular, because in Builderall, yes, you can send directly to your affiliate link to open a free account, because the company doesn't keep for themselves like most of the other companies that do in affiliate marketing. They keep the customer for themselves. You don't know the email address. Here is not the same. It's you send them, they are your own leads. You have the email, you can contact them again. So you could use a simple affiliate link to the 7 days free trial of Builderall. But it's always better to create a lead capture page. Why? Because then you have control of this capture page. You can do what you want on it. It's not like affiliate link. The control is on the seller, on Builderall. So if you create, so I want to show you how to start to work with the Magic Funnels. Magic Funnel is just a form that you put on your page, and when people fill in a first name, email, then they submit, you get their email address, but also it opens them a free Builderall account. So it does the 2 things in one. And you open them, and you can still keep them on your own pages. So it means you create a second page. I will show you. This is so free magic funnels. It is about the work. I did this page. We are in the Builderall editor Pixel Perfect. This is the how to create websites. So it's a very good editor. For me, it's the best editor I've seen in over 20-30 years of 20 years of internet and 30 years of computing. It's not like a Wix or all the others with grids. No, here it's Pixel Perfect. You have total control. It's very good. Well, anyway, it's not the. So I made this page. This is my lead capture page. But since Builderall is so particular, I don't need to do a simple video and form, put your email. I can be free, so I made 3 videos. I talk about Builderall, the plans. I have the buttons with my direct affiliate links, so they can buy it. I show them my offer, because this is very important, is to give an offer, to give people a reason to buy from you instead of buying directly from the company or buying from another affiliate. This is what I've learned, you know, in affiliate marketing, and what you can learn when you do the number 1, you know, when you get the knowledge about the top affiliate, what they have in common, you will see that having an offer is like everyone. So if they don't have, they are not in the top. So I made this page. I have a button for my offer, and I have also an affiliate link on the home page of Builderall. But then at the bottom, and I say it in the videos, in all the videos, I say, but if you want to try Builderall for free, you just fill in this form. First name, email, and a password. And you click, and it opens a new free Builderall trial account, and it redirects you to another page I made. So they stay on my website, and they say, welcome, you have opened your free Builderall account, now blah blah blah. You can log in into your Builderall account, and it will send them to their account. But I said at the bottom, I said, but if you pay today, if you buy it, then you don't. Builderall will give you a bonus that they don't give if you don't buy today. So they still can click, and then since they are already logged in, because they just have created their account, they won't have to enter again first name, email. You know, they go straight to the payment checkout. So on the second page, they can still buy it now, you know, but they already have opened. If they don't buy it, they are my leads. So this is why, this is how to start the work, is to do a magic funnel like this. Because then you send traffic, you make a promotion of Builderall by sending them to this page, not to your affiliate link of Builderall. Because all your affiliate links, they are here already, and you control this. I made a menu. They can look more pages if they want, but you know, they are already there in my page. So I will show you how to do it. It's easy. Let's say it's very easy. You have to find it's very easy when you know how to use Pixel Perfect, of course, because to make all this page, you need to know how to use the editor. So it's like working, and you start to work, and you add a contact form here. I will show you what you need to put, you know, configure. Here in default, in edit, you need to post the information of this form to a specific email URL. So it's office.builderall.com/US if you want in English, /office/create redir for redirection equals, and here you type in the URL of your next page. You know, the page where I say welcome, you have open, and if you take buy now, you get a bonus. This is the URL of this page. This means it will open the account, and it will redirect to this. So now I close it. There is something else to check, is the fields. Very important to have the good names. And here, you know, when they open an account, they are my leads. So how does the builder know that they should attribute them to me? Is in elements. You have first name, email, password, and hidden field. I have two hidden fields. The name should be Cadastro _ AID. And this is your affiliate ID. Your number, it's for your second account. You know, if you set up as two accounts, for your second account, you put. So they will know that you are the affiliate who has created a new account for this person. So if they become a customer, you will get the commission. So Cadastro _ AID. And there is another one, is this one, is a new one, is Cadastro _ Origem. And here in the value you put what you want. So I put the URL of this page. It's just something that the value you will see it in your leads list. So you will know where does this lead comes from. Because at some point you will not have only one leads capture page. You will create many source of new leads. So, you know, to have different value and to know where they come from, it allows you to analyze the data and see what source of leads are very performant, and then to increase your marketing effort on or your traffic generation to this lead capture page. So it's very important when you set it up to put the value, and it will be of use in 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, when you will do the analysis of your leads list, where they come from. At this point, it will be very important. So that's why. And then the 3 other fields, first name, they all need to have a specific tag name. Cadastro _ nome, NOME, because those are Brazilian developers, so they put in Portuguese. This is a bad choice, but that's the way it is. So Cadastro _ nome for the name, Cadastro _ email for email, and this one is a Cadastro _ Senha, SENHA for the password. If you don't put the password, it will generate a random one for. So, you know, you could not have a password here. The form will be simpler, but then when they log into their account, it will be written, you have this default password, please change it. It makes another step. So it's better to, I think, to have it in the form, even if I don't like to have too many fields. It's better to have it in the form, so they put their password that they like, and there won't be an extra step later on. But one could just not put it, and it will be fine. Or you can put a default value like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then on the next page, on this page, you say, okay, welcome, you have your account, your password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you want to change it, you go to your profile, but you don't have to. Just remember it's this password. You can do that also. So that's all. I think I said everything for this introduction, because it was meant to be a short introduction, and now it's been 40 minutes, so I don't know if you're still here. I will leave you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.